Hello everybody, my name is Irving Fernando Kubilka and this is my project, Mechanical Festival in Peru. The engineering fair this year will take place in the city of Huancayo. This year the scope of the fair is international and the invitation is open to both students and active professionals. Our opening speaker today will be Mariela Garcia de Fabri, who has currently been the general manager of Ferreiros in Peru for 6 years, who will full attend to all the questions and queries you might have about the management and maintenance and purchase of heavy equipment in all the country.
Si tuviera que definir Ferreiros en una sola palabra sería competitividad,
liderazgo,
innovación,
desarrollo,
motivación,
trascendencia,
amistad,
familia.
Ferreiros.
Our first guest is Ferreiros. With more than 90 years of operation in Peru, Ferreiros is the leading company in the commercialization of capital goods in the country and in the provision of services in this area. It has been a Caterpillar dealer since 1942, as well as other renowned brands that complement its portfolio, including Terex, Paus, Oldenburg, Metso, and Massey Ferguson. It targets key economic sectors in the country, such as mining, construction, energy, industry, fishing, government, and agriculture. The experience and quality of this product is the main characteristic of our guest. Our second guest, Komatsu, is a company with more than 15 years of experience in the mining industry, guaranteed solutions in new technologies in which creativity and knowledge merge for the benefit of customers. Komatsu is one of leading companies in the mining sector for both surface and low-profile machinery. They are one step ahead of predictive maintenance service. Innovation is the main attraction of our guest.